We can ask ChatGPT to act as a Linux terminal. So in our prompt, we say something like act as a Linux terminal. I'll give you commands and you will need to respond as a Linux terminal would do. No explanations, just code. So my first command is pwd, and it gives us our home and user directory. So it definitely knows a thing or two about Linux. So next command is make dir and videos. So we're creating videos directory, and it says we cannot create video directory because the file exists. So in his universe, in his imagination, this file exists, probably because it assumes that it should exist by default. All right, then we'll create another directory, call it make dir images, and as you can see, the output is blank. We shouldn't expect any output at this point because if it acts as a Linux terminal, it just creates this directory. Let's try another command. Let's say we want to list our files and directories, and as options we will pass the -- and then auto, which tells it to use color when standard output is connected to a terminal. But in this case, we just get the list of directories.